everybody, so you probably got to this assignment here, and this assignment is an IXL assignment. So this one is going to be submitted a little bit different, so I wanted to create a video to show you guys how to submit that assignment. Alright, so I give you guys some instructions in here, and I'm going to actually go through those instructions in this video. This is what you're probably seeing on your screen right now. Okay, you will need to first click on the link above. Okay, I do ask that you read all of it, but since I already read it all, I'm actually going to click on that link right there. That's going to take me to the assignment that I want to do. Let's go back to here, and it says you will need to first log in before you actually attempt any prompts. Alright, so the username is going to be found in any of those files right there. So if you're in period 2, you're going to be looking for here, period 5 right there, and period 6 will be right here. If you click on those, it will actually show you your username. Okay, so everybody will have an username, and it's breaking apart into 9th grade, so these are all my 9th graders, 10th grade, and 11th grade. Okay, so I want you guys to find your username. Your username is going to be your ID actually, and it's going to be at Pioneer Valley HS. Okay, and then you will have to find your password right there. So after you locate your username and password, go ahead and write that down in a piece of paper, and then that way you don't have to look for it every single time. This is how it will look like. So when you go to that assignment right here, before you do anything else in here, you want to log in first. I'm actually gonna log in with a username that I created. So you have to put your ID 4123. Let's just say that's my ID, and then you have to put Pioneer. Oops. HS. And then let's put the password for that. It's 123. Okay. Something that you're going to notice when you look at this is that it says welcome, and it's going to say your name in here. That's going to be very important, because when you take a screenshot, which is what we're going to show you in this video as well, when you take a screenshot, I'm going to ask you to show me your name. Okay, that way I know that it was you who actually worked on all those prompts. Now you're going to solve this equation right here. I'm going to do some of them for you, or some of them. These are not going to be the same problems that you're going to get. So I'm just going to solve this one, and on this one I'm going to get -7. When you answer questions, what you're going to notice is that this right here, this SMART score, is going to start going up. Okay, this one we're going to get -10. You're going to say, oh look, good job. It's going to start increasing, 19. If you were to submit this assignment right now, you will get 19 out of 100, but in reality you will get 1.9 out of 7, because this assignment is actually worth out of 7. Let's do this one right here. Okay, I'm doing a lot of this in my head, because I have learned this before, so I can do a lot of it in my head. It's a little bit harder. Okay, as you can see, my SMART score is already 49. That means I must be pretty smart. I believe this is going to be 10 as well. All right, awesome. So again, our goal is to get that 70% max score. Let me see this one, 20, 30. I believe it's 3 is the answer for this one. All right, we're almost there. And we're almost there. Now almost get to 70 already. All right, so I got to 72%. Now, what if you want to get some extra credit? You can do that by continue and moving forward. But right now, you are already getting 100% for this assignment. Now, let's actually submit this assignment now. So we're going to be using a tool called the snipping tool. And the snipping tool can be found anywhere on Windows or in any computer. Well, that's what I mean to say. In here, you're going to look for, so you're going to click on the star, and you're going to look for the snipping tool. I'm actually going to type it in. And as you can see, it's right there. So everybody should have that option to just look for, you're going to type it in, the snipping tool. Okay, write that down so that you understand that. So click on the snipping tool. Now the snipping tool is a really cool tool because it allows you to take a screenshot of your work. So we're going to click here where it says new. Okay, we're going to click in there. And you see this drag point? We're going to go over here where the IXL is. You're going to click and hold, and you're going to drag. You see how? You see the picture right there? You click and hold, and then you let go. Okay, when I let go, there is my picture that I'm actually going to be submitted on Canvas. Okay, what's going to be my score on this one? Well, it's going to be full credit. Okay, it's going to be 72. All right, make sure that you include your name, the title of the assignment, and the actual score that you got. Notice that this will also tell me the time that you spend on. Okay, which is I'm gonna be looking at that as well. You're gonna click on, maybe I just skipped too many steps right there. You're gonna go to File, and we're gonna save this picture. Save as. We're gonna save this picture anywhere. You can put it on your pictures, you can put it anywhere. I'm gonna put it just right there. And let me give it a name for it. IXL assignment. And since this is assignment number 53, maybe I'll put 53 right there. Okay? You click on Save. Now we're actually going to have to be looking for that picture. So let's go back to our assignment here. So the instructions, as you can see, they ask you to submit a screenshot. So we're going to click here where it says Submit Assignment. And we're going to be looking for that picture. Choose File. Okay, these are all the videos that I create. And I believe I put it in 2-year algebra. So I hid mine a little bit. Oh, here it is. So here's where I put my picture. Okay. Now you're gonna find your picture wherever you put it. Okay. I'm not, everybody will put it in a different file, but you have to look for your picture. Okay, after you find your picture, you click on Open, and then your picture is going to be right there. you're going to click on submit assignment. And then it's going to say submitted. Yay! And it's going to give you all that beautiful artwork. And then you can see your picture right there as well, or submission details, and it will show it to you. Okay, so there is my picture that I was supposed to submit. Okay, all right guys, so that is how we submit this assignment. Hopefully through this video you're able to do that. I'll see you guys on the next video.